What's up guys, this is Roni. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone, and today's topic will be how to access intermediate steps from an agent execution. So suppose you develop an LangChain agent and you want to actually access you want to access the intermediate steps. So basically when you actually run any agent, so basically we are more or less interested about the final execution or the final response from any agent, right? But here we are trying to actually achieve something different. So if I actually open this thing, if you can see here, in order to get more visibility and what an agent is doing, we can also return intermediate steps basically. So basically say we have something like we have one requirement and we would like to actually execute the agent to get some answer, but now to get the final answer, agent is actually doing something intermediate as an intermediate steps. So you want to actually take control of all the steps and you want to see exactly what is happening. So for that reason basically we need to do something different. Basically not something different, we have to just pass one extra like keyword argument, that's it, and that will actually do the job. Okay, so without wasting time, so maybe just hold on, let me actually do this thing in a better way. I don't know why it is like this. So let me make this thing a little bit down. I don't know. Okay, so just hold on, let me cut and actually make it 20 and paste. Still it is not holding this text. Yeah, now it's fine. So basically this is what we want to actually do, and let's see how to actually achieve. So basically what we'll do, we'll try to create a LangChain agent, and that agent is actually going to use the Google search API to search something based on our like prompt. Okay, so very simple thing will be going to run. Okay, so before we do something, let's try to actually run some sort of like this thing, Google search API setup. Okay, so let me open my this thing here. Okay, and then we'll be going to like SERP API, this one, and let's see. Yeah, I think this one. Okay, so let's copy this API. Okay, and I'll be going to use this API. Okay, so don't worry, after the execution I'll try to change the API. Okay, so now let's try to write down the code. Okay, so main.py, right, and then we'll be going to write from LangChain, okay, dot chat model import chat OpenAI, right? Okay, then from LangChain dot agents import agent type, initialize agent, and load tools. Okay, we'll be going to do all these things. Then I think yes, and then we'll be going to set up the Google search API key. Okay, so for that basically it should be os dot and like this, and it will be something like this. Okay, so we'll be going to set that. So like this, SERP API underscore key, and then it should be like this. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll try to actually set our LLM. Okay, so LLM is going to be chat OpenAI, then we'll be going to set the temperature 0, and then model equals to GPT-4, right? And now we'll be going to set up the tools. So tools is going to be actually load tools, and inside that I'll be going to pass a something like this. So basically serve API like this, and here equals to LLM. Okay, done. Okay, now let's say we'll create an agent. Okay, so initialize agent. So basically first thing will be tools. Okay, tools. Okay, then LLM. Okay, tools is there. So I think I did a spelling mistake here. This there, then probably agent equals to agent type dot zero short react description, right? Okay, and then another thing will be what is that? Return intermediate steps. Return underscore intermediate steps. Okay, okay, it's done. Then what will happen? They will be going to do response. Okay, response is going to be agent. So it is not like normal thing. So basically, if you remember, we generally do something like agent.run, and we can just write something like this. Okay, what is let's say we'll be going to ask what is blockchain. Okay, so let's ask it. Okay, what is blockchain? See, it's going to give some error. See, when intermediate steps is there, you cannot run the agent like this. Okay, so rather than you have to do like this, and then we have to have one dictionary, and we'll be going to do input like this, and this and okay, like this. Okay, like this. Then what will happen? Then we try to actually print the response. Okay, let's print the response. Okay, and let's see whether it has an intermediate steps or not. Let's see what is happening. Yes, so it is asking something. So input is this and output is actually this one, and there is no intermediate step. See, this is the response. Okay, what is okay? So basically I did a mistake, so because of that it's coming. So you see in the print I got some answer. Okay, so if you see here, it is like this. Okay, and there is no intermediate step. So basically it's very straightforward. That is why no intermediate steps. Now we'll be going to do some more intermediate steps. So maybe I can just write who is the prime minister of India. Okay, then what is okay, what is his age? Okay, the okay, let's see whether I'm getting any this thing or not. Let's see. So it's taking some time. Let's wait. Yeah. So basically, if you see here, so yeah. So this is input, and if you see here, output, and this is the intermediate steps, right? Narendra Modi's age, thought the current prime minister. So this is how you can actually control an agent, um, what agent is actually doing. You can control it. Control means based on this thing you can tweak your prompt, right? That is how you can control. You cannot control the output directly, but based on this intermediate thing you can change your prompt, and based on that you can actually make it more efficient. Okay, so this is going to be a very straightforward tutorial. I won't actually going to waste much time on this thing, but I'll just ask you guys to actually, if someone is actually very new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and start watching the tutorial from the first tutorial. Because if you see, you can see if you see, you can understand that this is the tutorial number 14. Before that we already published 13 videos, and all those 13 videos are kind of very much hands-on driven. So if you're really interested to learn more about this AI, LangChain and LLM kind of a thing, then please, it's highly recommended that you can start watching the playlist from the beginning. Okay, so I'll be going to conclude the video, but before I conclude the video, guys, please try to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button if you're really enjoying our video, and if you want to share our videos with your family and friend, please do it, because ultimately we'd like to reach to the larger audience. Uh, so getting the viewership is always welcome, and if you have some feedback or suggestion for our content, or if you want us to include something in the next tutorial or in the tutorial, please let us know. So we'll try to include all those things in our future videos. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.